is going on, guys? Welcome back to the Daily Social Podcast, where I give you guys advice on entrepreneurship, business, marketing, and so much more. So, let's jump right into the episode. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the show. Just to give you guys a quick update. So for past couple of so we're in February now, and for December, January, I've been really focused on, building the brand and expanding it, which I obviously did. We've expanded into two other brands. Creators First Initiative, or CFI, and we also got a brand new another one called Creator Speakers, and that is more so for speakers who want to get into the art of speaking, or have a fear of speaking, or want to better their communication skills, or just be an overall better speaker in general, because there's a lot of entrepreneurs that do speak on stages, at conferences, at events, at weddings, at wherever. So that's one of the companies that I have. And the other company that I have is more so focused on the creative aspect of it. Creator First, that's to do with all things creative and social media, and building that up is been a good start so far. And can't wait to see where this goes. But in all, if you guys haven't subbed up to the pod, go to your podcasting app. Do that now. Go right now. As I'm talking, go right now and sub up. I would gladly appreciate you guys' support. But over the next 18 months or so, plan to expand it more and keep you guys up in the loop on the pod or on social. Just got back up on Twitter, now known as X. So if you guys want to be my X profile, or my Twitter profile, as some people like to call it. Some people call it X, some people call it Twitter. I really don't have a preference, so just go there now and hit me for the follow. Let me know you joined through the pod or from the pod, and we'll chop it up. If you guys have any questions, or want to join the group or anything like that, just feel free to message me on social, and either myself or my team will reach out to you guys. But hope you guys 2024 is doing fantastic, fabulous start. Hope all is well with you and yours, and that all of you guys are healthy and happy and successful. But yeah, guys, this has just been a little quick update on where I've been from since December of last year until now. So this is just a little mini 2024 update. But you guys would expect a future update, maybe. I'm not gonna give out any specific timeline, but maybe in the middle of the year, or 3/4 of the year, and just to check in with you guys, and make sure all of you guys are good, happy, and do some Q&A or whatever it is. Just let me know on the social. But yeah, guys, I will talk to you guys on a future episode. Peace. Hey guys, thanks for joining the show, and hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you did, feel free to subscribe, and I will catch you guys on the next episode of the show.